Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss about present continuous tense. So this is the structure for using the continuous tense. First one is the affirmative sentence. We use subject plus am is or plus V4. We also call it as V1 plus ing form. And the second one is the negative form, that is subject plus am not or is not or are not plus V4. And the last one is the interrogative sentence. So while using interrogative, we have to use this sentence like am, is, or plus subject plus V4. So these are the indicators while we are using the present continuous tense. So wherever we see these indicators, we can identify it as a present continuous tense, like now, at present, at the moment, these days, nowadays, day by day. For example, let me take one example. I'm explaining about present continuous tense now. So now is the indicator. At present, most of the people are using online shopping. So at present is the indicator. Like that, all these are the indicators for using continuous tense. So when we use this present continuous tense, first one is to talk about actions going on at the moment, at present, at the time of speaking. And the second scenario is like to talk about longer actions that will continue for some time or till it is finished. And also the other scenario is like to talk about changes or developments. Let me take some examples. Like the sun is shining brightly now and it is raining heavily at the moment. Nowadays, everyone is using cell phones. These days, she is staying alone. Prices are increasing day by day. So here we are using these indicators like day by day, these days, nowadays, now, at the moment. So these are the main indicators we use while using the present continuous tense. Let me take some example for the negative forms. We are not standing now. The teacher is not writing now. I am not eating now. The moon is not shining now. And the examples for interrogative sentences like are you sleeping now? Is the sun setting now? Or the students writing an exam now? Is it raining now? So like this, we use the present continuous tense in our day-to-day life. Let me take one example like take this picture as an example and try to explain. For example, let me explain this picture. So the children are playing with toys. The man is cleaning the window and the man is other man is like watering the plants. So one man is reading the newspaper and the woman is listening the music. So like this, we can explain the present continuing action. Thank you.